Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to find the highest common factor for n numbers. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is not execute in the runtime. It is called single line command. Single line command or start with the hash symbol. Next line I am going to define a function. Def is a keyword from here to up to here function. So directly we can go here main j equal to 2 I am assigning, a equal to that is empty array, b equal to empty array I am declaring, x is equal to 1. Here I am going to read the n value number of n events. The innermost function input function is used to read the value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message on the screen, enter the number of element. Whatever value I am going to read through the key input function, it is treat as a string, so you should convert to integer. The outermost function int function is used to convert string to integer, then it will assign to n. My input is 4, n value is 4. Next line loop statement I value for I in range n is value 4, I value it start with 0. Okay, a here condition is true, 0 to 3 condition is true. Why? Because n value is 4. Every loop statement is end with colon. Okay, condition true, control comes inside the loop. A dot append. I am going to read the value, the elements value. The same manner I am going to read that first input is 5. 5 will append to a of 0th location. Then control comes here. I value increment 0 plus 1, it will become 1. Then control comes inside the loop. Now I am going to read the second value. Second value append into a of first location. That is my input is 10. Then control comes here. I value 1. 1 plus 1 2. Condition is true. Then control comes here. I am going to read the third value. Third value append to a of second location. That my input is 15. Then control comes here. Now I value 2. 2 plus 1 3. N value is 4. Up to 3 condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. I am going to read the fourth value that will append to a of third location. My input is 60. Then control comes here. I value become 4. The range also 4. The condition is false. So a of 0th location value is 5. A of first location value is 10. A of second location value is 15. A of third location value is 60. So control false. So condition is false. Control comes here. And this is HCF is a function. Now J value is 2. I am passing J value here. Automatically control transfer to the function. Define HCF is a function. Every function is end with colon J value 2. So condition is true. Control comes inside the function. If here if I am assigning 2, then loop statement for k in range 4. The k value initial value 0. 0 in range 4. 0 to 3 condition is true. So control comes inside the loop. A of 0th location value. A of 0th location value is 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 2. Condition is true. One more condition. Here I am using AND operator, logical AND. A of 0th location, that is 5. Modulo 2, J value 2 means remainder is 1. So 1 equal to 0 means condition is false. One condition is true, another condition is false. Every if statement is end with a colon. So condition is false. Control comes out of the if. So then control comes here. K value become 0 plus 1 1. 1 to 4 condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. A of first location value 10. 10 greater than or equal to 2 condition is true. Here I am checking one more condition. A of second location value, A of first location value, that is 10 modulo 2 means you can get the remainder 0. 0 equal to 0 means condition is true. Then control comes inside the if. Then if value become 1. 0 plus 1 1. Then control comes here. K value become 2, 2 range up to 4 condition is true, so control comes here. A of second location value greater than or equal to 2, that is 15 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true. Here 15 divided modulo 2 means remainder 1, so this condition is true, this condition is false, so control comes here. Then k value become 2 plus 1 3 in range 4 means up to 3 condition is true, so control comes inside the loop. A of third location value 60 greater than or equal to 2 condition is true, and one more condition, A of third location value, that is 60 modulo 2 means you can get remainder 0 equal to 0 condition, both conditions are true. Then control comes here, if value already 1 plus 1 it will become 2, so then control comes here, k value 3 plus 1 4 less than 4 range 4 means condition is false, control comes here. If value here, if statement is there, if value is 2 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true, then control comes inside the if for L value 0 loop in range 4, then control comes here. A of 0th location, L value 0, A of 0th location modulo 2 means 5 modulo 2, A of 0th location 5 modulo 2 means remainder 1, the condition is false, then control comes here, it will increment the L value become 1, then condition is true, then control comes here, A of first location value, that is 10 modulo 2 means remainder 0, so condition is true. A of 0 first location value divided by 2 means quotient is 5. A of first location value now become 5. Then control comes here and L value become 1 plus 1 2, condition is true, then control comes here. A of second location value 15 modulo 2 means condition is false, here remainder we can get 1 equal to 0 means condition is false. Then control comes here, 2 plus 1 3, L value become 3, condition is true, then control comes inside the loop. If A of third location value is 60 modulo 2 means, that is you can get 0 equal to 0, condition is true, then control comes here. A of third location value 60 divided by 2 means quotient you may get 30, so third location value will be changed, so condition is true, it will change 30, then control comes here and L value become 3 plus 1 4 in range 4 means condition is false, control comes here. J value 2 B dot append means J value append to B of 0th location, then control comes here, F is equal to 0, then again I am calling the function itself HCF J value 2, then again control comes here, F value 0, then K value 0 in range 4, condition is true, then control comes here. A of 0th location value 5 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true, and A of 0th location value 5 modulo 2 means condition is false, so control comes here and K value will increment 1, the condition is true up to condition 4 true, control comes inside the loop, and A of first location value 5 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true. A of first location value 5 modulo 2 means you can get remainder, one condition is true, another condition is false, so again control comes here and it will increment the K value become 2, the 2 up to 4 condition is true, control comes in here, and A of second location value 15 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true, and 15 modulo 2 means you may get remainder 1, this condition is false, this condition is true, so condition is false, then control comes here. K value become 3 in range 4 up to 3, condition is true, control comes here. A of third location value 30 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true, and A of third location value Now k value 3, 3 less than 4, condition is true, control comes here. A of third location value 30, 30 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true, and 30 modulo 2 means you can get remainder 0, 0 equal to 0 means condition is true, then control comes here, and f value already 0, 0 plus 1 it will become 1. So control comes here and increment the k value already 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 4, condition is false, control comes here, and f value 1, 1 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is false, automatically control comes here. Else part, if inside the else I am checking one more condition, if j value, now j value 2, 2 greater than or equal to maximum of a of 0th location value 5 is first location value 5, second location 15, third location 30. So 2 less than or equal to 30, condition is true, maximum of a value is 30, condition is true, control comes here, and it will increment j plus 1. Now j plus 1, 3, again the same function I am calling, control comes here, and j value 3, then control comes inside the function, now f is equal to 0, then control comes inside the loop, f k value 0 in range 4, 0 less than 4, condition is true, control comes here, a of 0th location value 5 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true, a of 0th location value 5 modulo 3 means remainder 2, 2 equal to 0 means condition is false, then control comes here, k value become 1, 1 less than 4, condition is true, then a of first location value that is 5 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true, again a of first location value 5 modulo 3 means you can get remainder 2, so this condition is also false, this condition is also false, total condition is false, again control comes here, and it will increment the k value to 1 plus 1, it will become 2, 2 less than 4, condition is true, again control comes here, again control comes here, a of second location value 15, 15 greater than or equal to 15 greater than or equal to 2 means this condition is true, 15 modulo 3 means you may get remainder 0, 0 equal to 0, condition is true, then control comes inside the condition, f value is 0, 0 plus 1 it will become 1, then control comes here, 2 plus 1 it will become 3, 3 less than 4, condition is true, then control comes inside the loop, the a of third location value 30, 30 greater than or equal to 2, condition, this condition is true, again a of third location value 30 modulo 3 means you may get remainder 0, 0 equal to 0 means condition is true, so control comes inside the condition, then f value already 1, 1 plus 1 it will become 2, then control comes here, k value become 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 4, condition is false, control comes here, if f value 2 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true, then control comes inside the if, for here I am using loop, l value 0 less than 4, n value 4 less than 4, condition is true, a of 0th location 5 modulo 3 means remainder 2 equal to 0 means condition is false, then control comes here, l value become 1, condition is true, 1 less than 4, condition is true, control comes inside the loop, a of first location only 5 modulo 3 means remainder 2, again condition is false, then control comes here, l value become 2, 2 less than 4, condition is true, a of second location value that is 15 modulo 3 means remainder 0, 0 equal to 0 means condition is true, then control comes here, a of second location equal to a of second location value 15 divided by 3, that quotient you can get 5, 5 will stored in a of second location, then control comes here, it will increment 2 plus 1 3 less than 4, condition is true, a of third location value that is 30 modulo 3 means 0 equal to 0, condition is condition is true, then control comes here. A of third location value 30 divided by 3, quotient is 10, will stored in the A of third location. So then control comes here, and 3 plus 1 4 less than 4, condition is false, automatically control transfer here. Already B of 0th location 2 is there. Now B of first location, it will store 3. B of first location will become 3. Then F is equal to 0. Then again I am calling the same function, J value 3. Then control comes here. Then if once again if value I am assigning 0, now loop statement, k value 0 to 0 less than 4, condition is true. A of 0th location value greater than or equal to 2, condition is true. A of 0th location value 5, so condition is true. Then A of 0th location value 5, 5 modulo 3 means remainder 2, so condition is false. Again control comes here. If when k value become 1, again this condition will be true. This condition is, you may get remainder 2. Again this condition is false, then control comes here. K value become 2. You have second location value 5 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true. And 5 modulo 3 means remainder 2 equal to 2 means, again condition is false. Then control comes here. Control comes here. K value become 3 less than 4, condition is true. A of third location value, that is 10, greater than or equal to 2, this condition is true. But 10 divided modulo 3 means this condition is false. So then control comes here. 3 k value become 4 less than 4 means condition is false, control comes here. F value still 0, 0 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is false, then control comes here. Else part, if j less than or equal to max of A, maximum value of array is 10. So 3 less than or equal to 10 means condition is true. Now j value 3 plus 1, it will become 4. 4. Again the same function is calling, control comes here, and once again f value become 0. The same manner it will work again. This condition completely, this condition is false. F value 0. Then 0 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is false. Then control comes here. Else part. Now j value 4. 4 less than or equal to max of A means 10. So condition is true. J value 4 plus 1, 5. Then control function call itself. Then j value 5. Then control comes inside the function. F is equal to 0. Now loop statement, k value 0, 0 less than 4, condition is true. Then control comes here. A of 0th location greater than or equal to 2. A of 0th location 5 is there, greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true. And A of 0th location 5 divided by modulo 5 means remainder is 0. So both conditions are true. F value become 1. Then control comes here. K value 1. 1 less than 4, condition is true. Control comes here. And the A of first location value, that is 5 greater than or equal to 2, this condition is true. 5 modulo 5 means 0, equal to 0 means, again both conditions are true. K value, F value become 2. Then control comes here, K value become 2. 2 less than 4, condition is true. A of second location value 5 greater than or equal to 2, condition is true. Then 5 modulo 5 means remainder 0. 0 equal to 0 means condition is true. Then F value become 2 plus 1, it will become 3. Again control comes here. 2 plus 1, 3 less than 4 means condition is true. A of third location value 10 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true. 10 modulo 5 means 0. 0 equal to 0 means condition, both conditions, this condition and this conditions are true. Then F value become 4. Then control comes here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than 4 means condition is false. Then automatically control transfer here. 10, sorry, F value 4 greater. Now f value 4 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is true. Then control comes inside the condition. L value 0 less than 4 condition is true. A of 0th location value 5 modulo 5 means 0 equal to 0 means condition is true. Then control comes inside. A of 0th location equal to 0th location value 5 divided by 5, quotient will stored in the A of 0th location, 1 will stored in the A of 0th location. Then control comes here. L value become 1 less than 4 condition is true. A of first location value 5 modulo 5 means you may get 0 equal to 0 means condition is false. Then control comes here. A of 0th location value 5, j value 5, 5 divided by 5 quotient you may get 1, it will stored in the A of first location. Then control comes here. L value become 2. L value become 2. 2 less than 4 condition is true. A of second location value, A of second location value is 5 modulo 5 means 0, remainder is 0. Then 0 equal to 0 means condition is true. Then control comes here. 5 divided by 5 you may get quotient 1 will stored in the A of second location. Then control comes here. 2 plus 1 third 3 less than 4 means condition is true. A of third location value 10 modulo 5 means you may get 0 remainder is 0 equal to 0 means condition is true. Then 10 divided by 5, the quotient 2 will stored in the A of third location value. So A of 0th location value is become 1. A of second location, first location value become 1. Second location value become 1. A of second location, third location value become 2. Then control comes here. And 3 plus 1 it will become 4 less than 4 condition is false. Then control comes here. Already B of 0th location value 2, B of first location value 3, and now J value 5 will stored in the A of second location. Then control comes here. F value 0. Then again the function will call itself. J value 5, control goes here, and F equal to 0. F equal to 0, then control, this condition will false, this condition is false. Then control comes here, and now J value is 5 less than or equal to maximum of A. Maximum of A means 2. 5 less than or equal to 2 means condition is false. So the control comes out the function. Now I value here, it will come I in range length of B. Length of B is 3. So 0 less than 3 condition is true. X value already 1. X is equal to 1 into B of 0th location value 2. 1 into 2 it will become 2. X value become 2. Then control comes here, and it will increment the I value become 1 less than 3 condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. X value is already 2 into B of first location value is 3, 2 into 3 6, X value becomes 6. Then control comes here. Already I value is 1 plus 1 2 less than 3 condition is true. Then control comes here. X value is 6, and B of second location value 5. 6 into 5 30, X value become 30. Then control comes here. Now I value 2 plus 1 3 less than 3 condition is false. So control comes here, and print highest common factor is X value is 30. So we'll see the output. Fi is used to run the program. 4 elements, number of element is 4. First element is 5, second element is 10, third element is 15, fourth element is 60. You may get 30. We'll see some more example. If you 5 element 80, 100, 200, 120, 60. You may get 600. For another example, to 24, 36, highest common factor is 12. Now, one more example we will see. Highest 3 element 10, 40, 80. You may get 40 is the highest common factor. Okay, fine. The program is over. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon. If you press bell icon, you may get my videos immediately. Thank you.